the Target Hearth and Hand fall line is being clearanced out in all of the stores. You guys, I'm getting to have a serious pillow problem because all I buy are pillows. So when they released their green items in the Hearth and Hand fall line, I knew I was going to be keeping an eye on them to see if they go on clearance because I wanted to pick them up for Christmas. So this one was originally $20 and it was on sale for $14. So I did pick this up. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kayla and I'm so happy to have you here today. Thank you for clicking play. I wanted to get this video up as quickly as possible because I went to my local Target, and I know on this channel I've basically moved on to Christmas, but I'm still loving so many fall items, and a lot of the Hearth and Hand fall line is on clearance at Target. So I wanted to shoot a quick little haul of what I picked up and link some items down below that are still on sale. So if you look online, you're gonna see a lot of the fall items are on clearance online, but they're about 15% off. If you go in the store, you're gonna catch them at 30 to 50% off. So I'll link the items I can down below, but just know that if you go into your store and they still have it in stock, that's gonna be the better place to get it. You will want to check your end caps where they keep their clearance items. I know a lot of my stores will clearance out their items and put them on end caps in the back. So check those aisles if you can't find it in the regular Hearth and Hand aisle. And then I picked up a couple of Christmas items that I'm not going to show in my Christmas haul. So I wanted to show that here as well. This is everything I bought today, and I'm going to be posting it the next morning. So basically less than 24 hours after I purchased it. So hopefully these items are still available in your store today if you guys want to get your hands on them. If you guys were like me, then you loved the Hearth and Hand fall line, and I thought a lot of these pieces could also be used for Christmas. So that's kind of what I picked up, things that I could use for Christmas this year and then again for fall next year. So without further ado, let's get into the bags and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So this year for my fall decor, I did pick up one little faux plant that Hearth and Hand released. It was the one in the brown vase, but I really wanted this one, and it wasn't originally in the budget for fall, but I did pick this up on clearance. So this was $20. I got it for $14 and it is really pretty. I know a lot of creators here on YouTube did pick this piece up. I thought it was gorgeous, and I will be using this next year in my fall decorating. I think you really can't have enough faux plants or faux greenery. So I love the color of these, and I love that it was only $14. The next piece I picked up, I do plan on using for Christmas, and then I will bring it out again next year for fall. But it is this beautiful green vase. I love the color. Green to me just screams Christmas. So when they released their green items in the Hearth and Hand fall line, I knew I was going to be keeping an eye on them to see if they go on clearance because I wanted to pick them up for Christmas. So this one was originally $20 and it was on sale for $14. So I did pick this up, and I really love the color. My best friend Ashley got me the green Hearth and Hand lamp for my birthday, so I'll be bringing both of those items back out for my Christmas decorating, and I'm excited. I think this is gonna go in my bedroom, and I'm excited to use it. I think this could also be good for year-round. It's just a really neutral piece, so if you like the warmer neutral decor in your house, this could be used up through maybe until spring, and then bring it out again for the fall. So really excited about this piece, and I really wanted their green tea kettle as well, but that is not on sale yet. I don't know if it's gonna go on sale, but I picked it up in the store. We still had one left at the Target I was at, and I scanned it and it wasn't on clearance. I also picked up a piece of wall art from the Hearth and Hand fall line that I really had my eye on. I didn't buy any wall art from the Hearth and Hand line, even though I loved so much of it. I did get a Studio McGee piece, another Threshold piece, and then a piece from Hobby Lobby. So I didn't get any Hearth and Hand wall art, but I am so happy this one was on clearance at my store. I love it. I think the black frame is really pretty. The arched sketch is really pretty, and the matting is just a perfect brown. So I picked this up. This was originally $20 and it was on sale for $14. So I'm excited to use this next year in my fall decorating. I did pick up a couple of pieces that I want to use for Christmas, like the green vase, and then I also picked up a couple of pillows that I'm going to incorporate into my Christmas decorating. So I picked up this one first. So I love the color of this. This was originally $24.99 and I got it, I'm checking my receipt on my app, I got it for $17.49. So I got one of those. And if you purchase this pillow online, you're gonna see it for about $21. So the better deal is definitely getting it in store if it's still there. I'm going to pair that pillow with this one. And I love this one. I loved it when it came out for fall, but I didn't pick the pillow up, and I'm really glad to see it go on sale so I can use it in my Christmas decorating. I think these two pillows together are going to be really nice on the couch because my couch is a really neutral color, so it brings in some of those warmer reds. This one was actually 50% off, so it was originally $25. I got it for $12.50. So I like this one. It was cheaper than this one, and both of them have removable covers, which is nice. Although, you guys, I'm getting to have a serious pillow problem because all I buy are pillows. The Studio McGee Christmas line has not showed up at my stores yet, and they have not clearanced out a bunch of her items for fall, but they did start clearancing out some of the pillows. And so I got two of these beauties for 50% off. So this was $12.50. It was originally $25. And I just have a problem spending $50 on two couch pillows that I'm gonna use for 6 weeks, if that, because we decorate so early around here. So I was really excited to snag these on sale, and then I don't have to buy any additional pillows next year. We'll see if I stick to that, but I really like what I had on my couch this year, so hopefully I do stick to that. These would also be really good in my bedroom if I wanted to decorate my bedroom for fall, because I just purchased some new bedding that's a little more neutral color, and I have gray in there right now, so I'm gonna switch to like a tan and neutral color with some green. So this could be really pretty on our bed for fall next year too. So I'm glad to add these into my decor. The last pillow I purchased was actually for my best friend Ashley. I FaceTimed her in the store and was like, what do you want? Everything's on sale. So I picked up this one for her. This was $17.50, and it was, I think this is 30% off. It was originally $25. So this is gonna be beautiful on her couch for Christmas. I love the velvet texture, and it just adds a different texture to a couch if all you have is like regular cotton throw pillows or linen or whatever. So this gives a really good texture, and I love the color. So that is all I picked up from the Hearth and Hand fall line that was on clearance at my store. I'm actually thinking about going back and checking another store, see what else they have on clearance. I am hosting Thanksgiving this year. They have a bunch of their threshold Thanksgiving dishes on clearance and a couple of the brown pitchers that the Hearth and Hand line had. So I might go back and pick up a couple of those. I wanted to encourage you guys that if you didn't see a clearance sticker on an item, make sure you guys are scanning those items. If you think it should be part of the sale, scan those items and see if it is, because some of the items are just missing the clearance sticker. The next few items I picked up are not part of the fall line, but they are part of the Wondershop line, and I wanted to share because I did pick them up today as part of my little Target haul, but these won't be appearing in my Christmas haul, so I did want to share some of these items as well. They're just starting to put these out in my stores, and I wanted to get my hands on them so that we can make sure we have everything we need for our sugar cookie decorating night. So we have two boys. I have an 8-year-old stepson and a 2.5-year-old. And so this year we're gonna be having a family night once school is out and my stepson is here. We're gonna be doing a movie night with sugar cookie decorating, and it's gonna be a really fun family night that I'm excited for, games and things like that. So I wanted to make it a really special and memorable experience for the boys. So I wanted to pick up these kids aprons. They're so cute, and they were only $5. So I wanted to snag them before they're all bought up. Okay, so the first one is gonna be for my son. This is a gingerbread kids apron. This is so, so cute. I love this one. So this will be for my son, and then this one is going to be for my stepson. This one is $5 as well, but it comes with a hat. So this one is kind of like a candy cane theme, and on it says official cookie tester. So I thought these were cute. We're gonna be making some sugar cookies, which I love doing with the boys, and we'll be decorating them as well. So to go along with the cookie decorating, let me show you what I got. I got this super fun, just candy cane striped tablecloth, which I thought was so fun. It's $5, and it's one of those ones that you can just wipe off really easily. So I don't know if we'll be decorating outside or inside, but we'll put this on the table to protect whatever table we use. I also got these plates for the boys, so when they're decorating their sugar cookies, they can do them on the plates. I believe these were $3 a piece, and you guys know gingerbread is like my theme for my tablescape. If you guys didn't see my Hobby Lobby decor haul that I last posted, I got a bunch of gingerbread dishes. So these aren't gonna be like on my kitchen tablescape, but for the boys to eat at Christmas time and the week of Christmas, decorating their cookies on, I thought this was fun. So along with the tablecloth, I got them a couple of placemats, so they're the same. So these match the plates as well, which I thought are fun, and then the tablecloth. So I'm really excited to set this all up. I think I'm going to surprise them and not tell them what we're doing and have them like go rest in their rooms and then come out and just have this whole magical cookie decorating party happening in the kitchen, and I'm really excited to see their reaction. My stepson loves stuff like this, and my son does too, and of course my youngest son, who's 2.5, loves anything his brother loves. So it's gonna be really fun for both of them. A couple of additional items I picked up from the Wondershop, like kids kitchen serveware, are these little sippers. So these were $3 a piece. They come with a straw. They're just a little milk bottle. So this one is the Christmas tree, and then this one is the gingerbread man. So the boys can pick which one they want, and these will go well with our cookie decorating. And then for dinner that night, they get some fun silverware, so they can use these throughout the Christmas season or the Christmas week, whatever they want to do. So these were $3 a piece as well, and I thought this is gonna be so cute set up at the table. Another thing I picked up for our little cookie party are these little bowls. So they have the red, green, blue, and white. These were $5 for the mini bowls. They are dishwasher safe, and I figured we could put different colored sprinkles in these or frosting or whatever so that they can have easy access to that. Instead of just dumping it, maybe they could pick it up and decorate that way. So I thought these would be fun, kind of set out for them to decorate with. One last thing I picked up was this Sleigh serving board. I thought this was so cute. This one is from Threshold. It was $20, but I thought as part of our cookie party, we can display the cookies on here, or we can have something fun on here. Maybe we'll do like a little snack board or something in the middle of the table. So I'm really excited for this, and I can't wait for our little cookie family night for Christmas this year. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm so looking forward to setting all of this up for Christmas for the boys. I think it's gonna be so fun, and just taking time out of our busy schedules, especially in December around Christmas, it can get really busy. To spend time intentionally with one another as a family is really important to my husband and I, especially when it's all 4 of us and my stepson is here. And so I really wanted to create a memorable night that we just spend with just the 4 of us and nothing else going on, no other distractions, and just spend that intentional time with our boys. So that's gonna be really fun, and they're gonna love it, and I'm really, really loving the additions that I'm gonna be adding to my fall decor next year. If you guys aren't like me and decorate on November 1st for Christmas, maybe you can add some of this to your Thanksgiving decor if you guys decorate for fall or still have your fall decorations up. So let me know what you're interested in picking up down below. I am going to have everything linked in the YouTube shopping tab, and then with links that I couldn't find on there down below. I would love to hear what you guys are interested in picking up. I will see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up because that really helps support my channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.